Hello guys, this is Venture Street. I'm Jack Chen, and now I introduce this model gun. This is beautiful model gun, M1911. Smith Wesson. It's only a model, cannot fire. These holes are solid. So I will show you how it works. Before show, I will tell you what the parts are. Like this one, small parts, ready prepared for the mission. Some clean parts and the knife. This is a small knife. It's a very good knife. See? Okay. And a piece of clothes just for cleaning. And this colorful picture, the paper instruction with Chinese. It's all very clear, so you can assemble by yourself. Just look at the picture. And this gun, it's about 10 baht. Now the gun, I will show you. This gun, the function are nearly the real gun, but cannot fire. This is empty magazine, like this, and press this, it will back, and this. See, right? See, a little tight, but it doesn't matter. Only the model and the magazine. I suggest you do not load too much the bolt. Just less 6 is okay. This is okay, and then this is a button. You take it and load again, and then you see it. See, here will the button drop. It only a drop situation. The first back, and then quickly. See? And then the empty. Press this. It back. Okay. The all function. And then now I will assemble it. Decompose. I'll show you. When you receive, we use part detail to shipping. The first, see, here's here. So before you do this, make sure the magazine empty, and then take the magazine. The third, like this. take it. Okay, see, and then slap the gun. Okay, we will ship just like this. Maybe if it's hard to ship, we will decompose more. And here the things are very small. I don't suggest you to decompose more, but we although get some small parts for prepare for the missing. You see, and this can take it. Okay, and now when you get this, you should put them together by yourself. The first, put this. See, this. See. Like this. You see it? See it? Okay, the second. Just like this. See? Slapped. Like this. And then put this. You will see. Right? And then put this. See? Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.